Oh yeah, I always had my eye on this, but I bought that one before that one, and then you know how you buy one and they come out with the nice stuff, and then you'd be like,
nice?
yeah.
What are you talking about?
But that's, I mean, it's nice, but it's big.
Yeah, it is large.
It's real huge.
Yeah.
But it's still really nice though. Yeah. You too, man. Oh, this is really nice. See, okay.
What do you think? Are you impressed?
Yeah, I'm very impressed. I like the way all the little features get on.
Yeah.
I told myself I'm gonna have to record and show my daughter. Shoot. Because she wanted an SUV, but she had her mind on a Lexus. But then she ended up getting a Volvo sedan, but now she probably won't be in the market for another year though.
Oh well.
But
We can probably pull her out of it up to 9 months early.
you can?
Yeah.
And not be in trouble?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, they have a pull-ahead program and get out of it for 9 months.
I'm gonna have to tell her that when I get home. I'm like, honey, 9 months prior to your lease ending, you can pull out with no penalty. Well, that's nice. I'm gonna have to tell her about that. These vents are really nice. I wish they made them like this in mine. You know how they are. Does it come out the side too, around, right? Boy, I tell you, everything gets better after
It does, doesn't it?
after you buy it. I'm gonna take a look at the back too again. This is nice.